Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go and get into your energy, see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that energy fly. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what the heck y'all got going on. What's going on? What do we have to look forward to? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Clear, accurate messages only, please, Spirit. Oh, what's happening? What is it that we need to know? What's going on with the energy of the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? I'm seeing soulmates is out here, you guys. Soul connection, partnership, agreement, and soul contract. So y'all have soulmates out here. Y'all soulmate is here. At the bottom of the deck, I look and it said engagement ring. Okay, let's go and clarify the soulmate energy. What is it that we need to know in regards to soulmate? So there's a soul connection here. What is it that we need to know in regards to the soulmate energy, please, Spirit? Soulmate. For the Divine Space family, friends, and collective, would you mind clarifying soulmate, please, Spirit? Okay. Soulmate. What is it that we need to know in regards to soulmate? The bottom of the deck, I have Divine Feminine, number two. Y'all, I don't know why I was doing this, shuffling the cards, and I heard that nigga dead, y'all. Why did I hear that? That nigga dead. I don't know. You know, the death cards symbolize things coming to an end, right? It talks about a transformation and ending into a renewal. Something coming to an end or has come to an end. The first card that clarifies soulmates, I'm seeing moving on. All right. Number 60 can be significant. I'm showing an energy of a thief. Number 24, and I'm also seeing rich guy. Number 13. I'm speaking of a divine feminine energy. So are you guys moving on towards a soulmate energy? This could even be an energy of somebody stealing from a rich guy so they can leave. Somebody taking money. The number 10 is definitely significant. 10 miles, 10 months, 10 days. But there's definitely an energy like present energy is a thief. Someone taking money or energy, time. This person is wearing a mask, trying to hide or hide with it. Somebody can be stealing energy from the divine feminine energy. This rich guy might be stealing energetically. It might not be money, it might be energy. And this is like a partnership. Whoever this person is someone that you have a soul contract with. Hmm. Let me see. Clarify moving on. Let's clarify a little bit further. Moving on. Would you mind clarifying moving on, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? One card, please, for moving on. Okay, that was too many. It's like high traffic, high activity today, you guys. What's going on with moving on? One card for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What is it that we need to know in regards to moving on? I'm saying illness in reverse. Number 35 could be significant. Illness is in reverse. Illness, disease, weakness, fragile is in reverse. Somebody didn't you dodged a bullet with receiving some sort of illness? Some sort of disease? Explain that. Because I don't see you being sick. Clarify this thief. What is it that we need to know in regards to this thief energy, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? What's going on with this thief? What is it that we need to know in regards to this thief energy? I'm saying justice. Number 11 could be significant. It looks like things end up working in your favor. I'm seeing karmic justice is at play. Accountability is had. Law and order is here. Clarify this rich guy. What do we need to know in regards to this rich guy, please, Spirit, for this divine space, family, friends, and collective? Rich guy. Collaboration. This could be someone that you work with. This could be someone that worked for someone else or collaborating with someone else. I'm seeing backup, collaboration, a unity. Like I said, this could be someone that you unite with or work with. And I'm seeing something is getting ready to stop, something is getting ready to end, something that is getting ready to cease. Pause, break, stop, and I'm seeing an energy of somebody going through stress or experiencing some sort of stress. There's an energy of anxiety, headache, pressure, lack of sleep, is what I'm seeing here. Something's getting ready to change for somebody is what I'm seeing here. And it seems like it was due to a decision. There was a choice or a decision that needed to be made, and it's like somebody hesitated or something like that. And I'm seeing that there's an energy of stubbornness. There's an energy of selfishness, arrogance, a malicious attitude, snooty energy. Ooh, let's go ahead and clarify this. Moving on. Clarify moving on and illness in reverse, please, Spirit. What is it that we need to know in regards to moving on and illness in reverse for the divine space, family, friends, and collective? Moving on and illness in reverse. I'm seeing an energy of protection here, you guys, with the Seven of Wands. There's an energy of protection. Boundaries, having boundaries. And I'm seeing you take a leap of faith in a different direction. Somebody probably gave you an offer or something like that, try to extend some sort of offer. They might even try to like have you sleep with them to obtain something from them. I don't like that. Moving on, illness in reverse. Yeah, I'm seeing a tower, something happening unexpectedly. You moving on, you denying, not denying, but like rejecting someone's offer and deciding to take other routes, or you know what I'm saying, to get wherever you need to go. And I'm seeing you choosing a different route or a different option. It causes some sort of tower moment. There is some sort of tower moment here. It crumbles a foundation. Like you broke some sort of it's like you broke some sort of I don't want to say curse. I feel like possibly an operation or something that was going on without a. It's like there's something different. This is like an energy of someone telling someone no that are not used to being told no or hearing no or something like that. Like you changed something. Okay, I'm seeing two energies out here: Queen of Swords and a Queen of Coins. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. I'm seeing with the star energy, there is some sort of harmony or some sort of wish fulfillment, okay? There might have been some sort of prayer or something like that, but the star energy is also like a spiritual harmony, star seed, star energy, star quality, high priestess energy. So you could have been interviewing or communicating or dealing with either I'm sorry, an air sign or a earth sign. Okay. Well, clarify this thief and his justice card like this. Whoever this person is that is coming out as a thief that steals time, money, or energy, it seems like they're getting ready to be brought to justice. It seems like something is getting ready to happen. I'm gonna take that. Ooh, we got the Five of Wands. There's conflict here, you guys. Shit's getting real or got real or something like that. I'm seeing people arguing, fussing, and fighting amongst each other. Okay, thief. Okay, what's going on with this thief and this justice card? Yeah, because it's almost like an energy of people scrambling or scrounging. Yeah, it's like people scrambling. I'm seeing them coming out as energies of people that is abundant with the nine of coins. But I'm seeing even though they are abundant, how they got their money, it seems like it was a secret or causing illusions and things like that. Didn't I say people trying to run away? Again, clarifying the soulmate card that's anchoring this is talking about a partnership or agreement, possibly some sort of contract, soul contract. Whoever this person is may have even been someone that, like I said, this might be someone that tried to, like, say, for example, they're supposed to be business, but they tried to make it personal too. Maybe been attracted to you. It looks like something is coming to an end with this world card. Something is coming, a contract is coming to an end, or a cycle is coming to an end, it's coming to a completion. That's what I'm showing here. It's like they came up against an empress. A divine feminine energy is what I'm showing here, which is also right here. Divine feminine energy. Ooh. Clarify this rich guy. Collaboration. So it seems like this was a collaboration with a rich guy, okay? Clarify this collaboration or uniting with this rich guy. Look like there's an energy of justice being getting ready to be had, you guys. I'm seeing things getting ready to work out in your favor. I'm seeing that the scales that are imbalanced are getting ready to be balanced. People being held accountable for their actions and their consequences. And there's no other than the Most High that's bringing this into reality with the Hierophant energy out here. This is like divine timing. It's meant to happen. It's fated to happen. Okay, it's time for things to change, come to an end. And all it took was for them to, the Most High, bring you up in there. That's all it took. And for you to make things right and stand on morals to shake this whole thing up. Okay, we have the Knight of Swords out here, and it look like things are actually happening very, very quickly. That's what I'm showing here. I'm seeing energy of things happening very, very quickly. Something may be significant to the night times. People trying to leave at night, run away at night. Okay, trying to stay hidden is what I'm showing here. It seems like your energy is coming off as the wounded warrior. It's like an energy of you have already you've learned some sort of lesson. You've been, or experiencing some sort of infliction, okay, or been denied and things like that before. I feel like whoever you are, you're coming off as someone that's very strong, very courageous, very brave. And with this page of coins, I'm seeing you guys like somebody might even try to offer you money with this page of coins. Three of Swords. This page of coins energy is also like an energy of breadcrumbing, but again with the Three of Swords, there's an energy of separation. This is an energy of this person experiencing some sort of heartbreak, like something that they have is crumbling before their very eyes. There's an energy of heartbreak, y'all. Look, the Death card. Something's coming to an end. I'm trying to tell you. Anything else? This rich guy and collaboration. Anything else for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective regarding rich guy and collaboration? Okay. I feel like this may even affect someone's like personal life with the Two of Cups. It might affect someone's personal life as well. This is also talking about an ending to a partnership. It may be personal, like I said, personal or business, but I'm definitely seeing a death to some sort of partnership between this rich guy and some sort of collaboration. Okay, that something is going on. I'm seeing that there's a Queen of Cups out here. Cancer energy might be significant. Okay. Anything else in regards to rich guy? And look, somebody's feeling left out. Five of Cups. There's an energy of someone experiencing or have to take some sort of loss. All right. Someone's going to receive some sort of news. I'm seeing an energy of someone receiving like a coming to communicate. Oh, I couldn't get out. Someone might be coming to communicate face to face. This could be like text message. This could be like email or something like that. And we have the Hangman in reverse. There's an energy of someone refusing to see things exactly for what they are or change their perspective. There's a refusal of let go. Okay, someone was refusing to let go. There's an energy of stubbornness. Is what I'm showing here due to someone's stubbornness, and I'm seeing something closed out. No, it's like there's nothing you can do, especially when you see the tower. That means the universe is already, the Most High is already taken over the situation. But something is coming to an end, or has came to an end, or some sort of successful completion. And I'm seeing it has something to do with coming together, collaborating. Okay, people that possibly used to look out for someone is no longer looking out for them, and I'm seeing someone having to carry some sort of burdens or deal with some sort of burdens of their own. For the okay, of their own, they're gonna have to carry their own burdens, and it's gonna be hard because I'm hearing uphill battle. It's gonna feel like it's an uphill battle. I'm hearing as soon as you get over one thing, it's gonna be another thing, and it'll feel like it's gonna be an energy of someone being set back. This might be someone in your energy, you guys. This might be somebody in your energy, someone that you're very close to, or it could be you, that this is happening to. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please.